You need to watch this if your business is losing money. It's time to plug the leaks. Most companies are all about marketing and sales. But what about your operations? Neglecting business operations software could be costing you big time. Picture this. No CRM system means missed follow-ups and lost clients. That's pure profit down the drain. Without a proper project management system, delays pile up, clients get frustrated, and more money lost. And let's not forget time tracking. Poor time management leads to inefficiency and higher costs. Now imagine your customer service without a ticketing system. Delayed responses, unhappy clients, and you guessed it, more financial hemorrhaging. Here's the kicker. Companies can lose up to $1.3 million annually from these inefficiencies. That's a lot of zeros. At Alpha Firm Management Consulting, we specialize in plugging these leaks. We implement CRM, PM, time tracking, and customer ticketing systems tailored to your needs. We train your team and set up clear structures and procedures. The result? Reduced administrative time, efficient resource allocation, and fewer errors. That means cost savings, revenue growth, and happy clients. Don't let inefficiencies drain your profits. Reach out to Alpha Fam today. We're just one message away from transforming your business operations. Remember, a well-oiled machine runs smoother and faster. Let's optimize your business together.